Python. The scope and lifetime of a variable. In Python, the scope and lifetime of a variable define where in the program the variable can be accessed and how long it exists during program execution. Python has different types of variable scopes and lifetimes. Local scope. Variables defined within a function have local scope. They are only accessible within that function. The lifetime of a local variable is limited to the duration of the function execution. Example. Python. Code. Def example underscore function. Local underscore variable equals 10. Print. Local underscore variable. Example underscore function. Hash output. 10. Hash print. Local underscore variable. Hash this would result in an error. Enclosing. Non-local. Scope. In nested functions, variables defined in an outer function are accessible in the inner function. The enclosing scope is often encountered in situations where functions are defined inside other functions. Example. Python. Code. Def outer underscore function. Outer underscore variable equals 5. Def inner underscore function. Print. Outer underscore variable. Inner underscore function. Outer underscore function. Hash output. 5. Global scope. Variables defined outside of any function have global scope. They can be accessed from any part of the code, both within and outside functions. The lifetime of a global variable extends throughout the entire program. Example. Python. Code. Global underscore variable equals I am global. Def print underscore global. Print. Global underscore variable. Print underscore global. Hash output. I am global. Built-in scope. Python has a built-in scope that includes names like print, len, etc. These names are always available without the need for import statements. Example. Python. Code. Print. Hello. World. Quote. Hash output. Hello. World. Lifetime of variables. The lifetime of a variable is the period during which the variable exists in the memory. For local variables, their lifetime is tied to the execution of the function where they are defined. Global variables persist throughout the entire program's execution. It's important to note that modifying a global variable within a function requires using the global keyword. Otherwise, Python treats the variable as a local one within the function. Understanding the scope and lifetime of variables is crucial for writing maintainable and bug-free code, as it helps avoid naming conflicts and unintended variable modifications.